Yes, yes. Yeah. What's up, everybody, man? Let me see if I can get on screen a little better, even though y'all don't want to see my pretty face. What's going on, everybody? Real fast, I wanted to make this video because I've been working on something really special for you guys. So what we're going to talk about today, Forex Talk Episode 3. Yes. Episode 3. Okay. This is going to be bad habits from the 9 to 5. What to look out for when transitioning from a 9 to 5 worker to a full-time trader. A lot of you guys are going to go through some things that you don't realize you're going to go through. And let me take my phone and tuck it to the side because I'm going to be getting messages because I had recently texted some people, so I apologize. I know my alerts is always going off. Okay, so let's talk about it. Y'all know I try to give y'all the real talk on these videos. All right. Right now, I'm currently in some Bitcoin trades. As you can see, there's some trading going on, okay? And this is on the weekend. However, that's not what you're here for. You're here for the Forex talk while the chart is in the back. I figured it's a pretty display. Why not show it, right? Okay. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start realizing that when you try to transition to a full-time trader, the habits that you picked up from your job are going to keep you from being successful. That doesn't mean it's going to make you a failure, no, but it is going to make it harder. A lot of you don't realize this, and I didn't realize it, but guess what? I've been going on 2 years since I left my job. January will make 2 years. Guess what? I still have bad habits from when I used to work. One of the main ones is there are still days when I can't get up the way I want to and get on the charts. Believe it or not, I may go a week or two, and then on that third week, there's a day when I don't get up. There's a day when I sleep till 5, and I mean to get up at 2. There's a day when I sleep till 8, and I meant to get up at 5. It just happens. And the strange thing is, when I was working a 9 to 5, I had multiple shifts. I worked overnight. I worked late night. I worked morning. I worked early morning. I worked 5 a.m., 8 a.m., 5 p.m. I was able to get up for Massa. I was able to get up for Massa. I was able to get up for the boss, but I was not able to get up for myself. And I'm the boss now. And I have to come to the realization that my job taught me some bad habits that makes me a failure for being an entrepreneur, being a full-time trader. If you're a full-time trader, that is your business and you are the boss. But it taught me how to work for people and how to not to work for myself. And you're going to run into these habits, man. You're going to run into things that, like, let's take trading, for example. How many of you guys that are at work and when you trade, you see amazing trades that you can't take because you're at work? Some of the best moves and trades happen when you're at work. Why is that? Is it because it's a conspiracy? No. As much as we would love for that to be the case, that's not what it is. It's because the market makers are at work just like you are. So they're making their moves while you're working for somebody. And that is something you have to battle. Now, I've seen people who work who are successful traders. But imagine those people had they gone full-time at trading. They'd be amazing. Now, don't think this is a knock on 9 to 5s because it's not. I'm not in no way, shape, form, or fashion going to ever do that. You won't ever hear me say, oh, working a 9 to 5 is stupid. Why would you do that when you could go be an entrepreneur? No, sometimes you need it. Sometimes the discipline is good. It shows that you can do for yourself. You just have to beat the habits that we're talking about in this video. You can do it. If you can do it for someone else, you can do it for yourself. You can do it better for yourself. So, I can't tell you how many times I was looking at trades and I went home and I said, man, I missed so many good trades. And no matter what shift I tried to move around to, yeah, I was able to get different entries and I was able to improve, but was I able to kill it? Because people say, oh, you're killing it now. I wasn't at work. Was not killing it at work. Let me tell you this now. Okay, so just be prepared to knock out a lot of bad habits. You have to look at the job the way I'm about to say it. And it's going to sound kind of harsh, but It's the truth. I don't care. It's going to be the truth what I'm about to say. You have to look at the job as your enemy. The job design was to keep you from your financial freedom. It was to keep you from being free. The beauty of this Forex market is I got my charts, my indicators, my robots, my alerts. Everything is mobilized. The phone, the phone, my laptop, my tablet. I could take my charts with me anywhere. I could wake up in another country and still be able to do business and trade. You can't do that with a 9 to 5. Even remote work, you could probably do it a little, but unless you have that sweet job, which most of us probably don't. And if you still have that sweet job, you still want to be your own boss. You can't. And that's why I'm telling you this now. Because a lot of you guys, I'm telling you, I've been where you're at. And I'm telling you, you're going to be surprised that the bad habits you picked up when you have to because Forex will make you look at yourself. And when you look at yourself, you're going to have to face the things that you didn't never have to face before, because that's the only way for you to overcome these obstacles. You got to defeat you. Psychology, determination, will, strength, the desire to win, all of that. It's like boxing. You got to want it. You got to want it, man. And you got to really, really put it in. On the charts, off the charts. You even got to be careful how you eat and how you sleep and, your diet, and all of this stuff could mess you up, man. All of it. So I'm telling you, don't think you're going to drink a 12-pack at 12 a.m. because you trade and then get up at 2 o'clock and start trading in 2 hours and be sharp and, on point. No, you're going to mess your trading up doing that. Okay? There's people that can do it, but that's like naturally gifted people. Now, after 10 years, 5 years, maybe you can start doing that. But if you're somebody who just started trading, trust me, man, it's going to be hard if you try that. It's going to be extremely hard. I can't tell you guys the amount of trades I saw me missing. I'm like, look at this crap. I switched shifts and I'm still missing good trades. Why are the trades happening when I'm at work? And you know what? As soon as I started trading full time, I'm like, I was catching all those trades that the job was showing me that I was missing. And that was good too, because it was showing me what I was missing. It was showing me what I was missing. So it was okay. It was okay. But I was able to, get back. And I'm just letting you guys know that 9 to 5, man. I'm going to say something to you guys, and I hopefully no one takes it the wrong way, because this is just the truth. You know what school does? School teaches you how to get up every day and report to school and do the assignment. And you know what that does? That teaches an employer that you're a good worker. It says, hey, this person knows how to show up every day and do the assignment. That's why the attendance mattered. That's why the grades matter. All of this is to prove how efficient you are at working for somebody else. So what you have to do is you have to go to school, get good grades, go to work, be a good worker. But you have to always keep in the back of your mind that this is not forever. This is something I'm doing now, but at some point I'm going to apply all this to my own business, and I'm going to be the best employer of my own business. And once you figure that out, you'll be trading like a king or queen. Trust me. Trust me. Until then, you have that mindset that you work for somebody. When you go to trade, the market maker is your boss and all that. No, you're a business, and your business is trading. That's it. Trust me. Trust me. I'm saving y'all some heartache. To this day, I still have habits. I look and I go, I laugh at it. I'm like, I can't believe I still have this same habit. And I know it, so I'm able to identify it and fix it, but it's amazing that I still see it happening. I'm always shocked when I see these bad habits that I have. I'm like, I'm still doing this crap. I'm still doing this crash. This trash is happening. So I'm doing this video to help you guys out. Okay? Trust me. Trust me when I tell you. Trust me when I tell you. Trust me when I tell you. You will have a hard time switching over to trading full time for yourself if you don't get used to these things that I'm telling you about, like waking up at 2 o'clock. I don't care what shift you have. If you wake up at 3:30, 5, 4 like you did for your job, it ain't gonna be the same. Trading ain't gonna hit the same, baby. It ain't. Okay? So look at your job as training for you to go work for yourself. Trust me, I did it for a long time, way too long I did it. And now I realize the job was designed to keep me working for somebody and making them rich instead of making myself rich. Once I learned Forex, I was like, oh, I can make myself rich. I ain't got to work for somebody. Because I thought I was getting paid great. Everyone thought they was getting paid great. But here's the trick. Here was the kicker. The kicker was, for every dollar you made, they made dollars off you. This is the part that people don't get. That's the part people don't get. And I'm like, we can't be having that. We cannot be having that. So with that being said, man, just understand when you're at work, don't feel bad. Your day will come. Don't leave until you're ready to leave, of course. Until everything is proven, do not leave. Do not leave. I'm not going to tell you go walk out of your job right now and go trade full time. Trade when you are ready. Trade when you are ready, okay? Trade when you are ready. Okay. Subscriber, thank you for the subscribers. And that's it. I'm not going to make this video too long. Real fast, I do want to say, let's talk about the Discord situation and people starting to ask for mentorship. Okay, let me explain everything that's happening. We have different ways that we're going to be helping people learn the trade. Some people don't want indicators. Some people don't want robots. Some people want naked charts. We're going to have basic training for people who want to learn how to trade with price action. We're going to have training for people that want to learn one of the many other strategies we have. I'm not going to post them in the video, but we have many strategies. As you see, one of them that I've been promoting is the Ikamuchu Cloud. So we're going to have that. We're going to have places where you could get training for that. If you want the training on how to trade breakouts, if you want to learn how to price action, want to learn how to scalp, we got you. You want to learn support and resistance, we got you. You want to learn moving average crosses, we got you. There's a couple of different strategies that I use, and a lot of times when I enter certain trades, when people ask how did I do it, it's a simple strategy that I use, but it's because I practiced it. So in order for you to get that strategy, I'm gonna have to show it to you. So with that being said, guys, join the Discord and look out for the announcements that are coming. Sorry, I keep hearing the sound. I'm wondering what is that. But join the Discord. Look out for the announcements. They're gonna come, and when they come, just sign up, and you'll be in. You'll be in a course class. You'll be able to get software indicators, whatever you want to trade. I learned price action first. I suggest you do learn price action first because an indicator will not save you if you do not know what's going on. So I'm not gonna sit here just because I got software to sell and tell you buy the software. That is wrong. I totally don't want you buying something that you can't use because then you're going to lose money. And guess what? That's going to make me look bad. So I don't want that. If you buy some software, I want to make sure you know how to use it. So I would prefer you get a class of some kind from us. If I can't help you, then my mentor will most likely be able to help you. I'm just going to let you know he's super expensive. I'm on the low. He's super expensive. But either way, we are going to be able to help you. Okay? So for the people asking for mentorship or asking to learn some things, I do have the live trade playlist. Go look at that. I'm giving you free information that I'm telling you, some of those trades, they're hundreds of pips. I really don't even try to post trades unless it's over 100 pips. I have days when I do way less than that. And within the day, I may accumulate hundreds of pips, but it's do different trades. And I don't post it. So anyway, I'm going to end this video here, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know what pairs you want to see me trade in. Do join the Discord so we can get everything started. And I'm out of here. Peace.